Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into an exciting product that we discovered online, the ECO-worthy 48V off-grid solar system complete kit, boasting a powerful 1600 W capacity. You can find the link to this product in the description below, so be sure to check out the latest price and availability. This solar kit is designed to provide a reliable off-grid power solution, generating an impressive 6.24 kWh of energy daily under optimal sunlight conditions. That makes it an excellent choice for a variety of settings, whether you want to power your home, a shed, or a remote cabin. It's capable of running essential appliances like air conditioners, televisions, refrigerators, coffee makers, and microwaves, all using standard 110V/120V electricity. One of the standout features of this kit is its upgraded 195W N-type bifacial solar panels. These panels utilize advanced 18 busbar technology, which enhances current transfer and increases efficiency, boasting a remarkable 25% conversion rate. They're also designed to withstand high temperatures, ensuring minimal efficiency loss even in the heat of summer. Each panel measures approximately 58.86 inches by 26.18 inches, making them a compact yet powerful addition to your energy setup. The heart of this system is the 3500W solar charge inverter, which not only provides real-time monitoring and control via Wi-Fi but also has an impressive surge capability of up to 7000 W for those moments when you need a little extra power to start appliances. The built-in 80 AMPPT solar controller ensures stable power delivery, with a 20 milliseconds switching uninterruptible power supply for seamless operation. Another excellent feature is its low-temperature charging capability. With a special electrolyte, this system can safely charge even in temperatures as low as -4 degrees Fahrenheit, giving you confidence that your solar system will operate reliably in challenging conditions. Plus, the intuitive 4.3-inch full-color touchscreen allows you to monitor your system's status easily, while Bluetooth and Wi-Fi connectivity offer convenient remote access and management. So, who is this system suitable for? If you're looking for an eco-friendly, reliable energy source for your home or an off-grid location, this solar kit is an ideal choice. It's perfect for homeowners wanting to reduce their energy bills,